Now we will learn how to use our Multifunction Grill R2/800. This grill is quite easy to use and easy to clean. First of all, we'll start opening the tap for each of the trays. Each one will fill one of the trays with water. The trays will fill in some seconds. After this, you turn the taps off and then you use the electrical starter in order to have a pilot flame that will find in on top of the grill. Here. Right now, you just need to wait around 15 seconds in order to have the pilot flame stable. After that, you can turn the switch into the maximum temperature, in order to have the burner working to get around 300 to 350 degrees of temperature. This will take around 3 minutes till you have the grill on the maximum temperature. Now we will grill the chickens in the rotating to grill. This is an automatic grill, rotating grill that you can handle with a key to open it and food to the left side, to the bottom of the grill. Then with the skin side down you put them just like this. Make sure that the wings are inside the grill. Then with the same key, push it. Be careful because the grill will be hot. So it may be just one movement. You can close it. Then you turn the rotation to a magic rotation and you turn the temperature to the maximum temperature. Remember that you have 3 options of rotation speed and around. About the main features of this grill. Once you have water on the bottom in each tray, the fat will go down directly to the water. The burners that you have in each side will give the temperature needed, but at the same time, once they are in each side left to right, in this situation, you want to have the fat or sauces going directly to the heating source. So you will have reduced the reduction of smoke. You don't have the mixed flavors going into the meat or the vegetables. And also it's very, very important. Once we are working with ceramics that work with gas, you will have a very low consumption of gas as well. So it's very easy to clean. It's very uncostly. And also you will have the reduction of smoke that it's very important and in your restaurant. And also you don't need to have a specific smoke extraction. Once you have the water that will make this grill working with very, very low smoke, and always we did 300 degrees needed. Here, we're going to demonstrate that we can grill meats. 300 degrees till 350 degrees will allow you to have a perfect beef in this grill. Once again, we can have meat in the other side. We can have fish. You will not have mixture of flavors once again because we have water on the bottom and the reduction of smoke will exist. But you always have smoke because we have this grid that is hot. So of course you're going to have some smoke, but comparing with others, it's very reduced after up to 2 minutes. The beef is ready, so we turn it off and then we can take our stage out and we can cut it. We recommend after cutting your steak, you can add some flour sauce if it's possible. After 20 minutes, the chicken is ready to serve. You just need to turn off the burners, turn off the rotation, and remember to push the foot pedal on the bottom of the grill. With the same key, you open the grill like this. Then you can take the chicken and it's ready to serve. Serve perfect color. And of course, remember, the season that we recommended was in order to have crispy chicken. But you can always have your own seasoning. Remember that with this specific rule, you can change and take out the grill like this or turn it off. You turn it in with the same key. You can push it like this.